Hello, sixth grade. This is going to be the introduction video to your Google Slides Challenge project. These directions are posted on Classroom. This is going to be a project all about you. You're going to be the topic. It's only going to be 5 slides. The first slide should be a title slide. Here are some examples of some title names. And then the next 4, these are just examples, are going to be 4 of your favorite things. So this example has animals, ice cream flavors, YouTubers, and hobbies on here. Within these 5 slides, these things need to be accomplished, and I'm going to be making short little videos for each of these so that you can follow along and skip any of the videos if you've already got some of them figured out. But just for an example, this is a student's project, and they chose a title slide, and then they had 4 of their favorites: places to visit, favorite foods, favorite books, favorite animals, and then they added the end slide, which is an optional if you would like. There are options for advanced in this project. They're also listed, and you only have to choose 3 from this list here. So please follow along with the other videos, and you should be able to have a really professional looking presentation at the end.